Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products for every occasion. Today, we're talking about the Honbay Sparkly Polyester Star Ribbon Trim Embellishment, which is truly the best mum ribbon, perfect for all your DIY crafts and decoration needs. Whether you're preparing for a birthday, wedding, or just want to add a special touch to your gifts, this ribbon will elevate your creations. This ribbon roll measures 16.4 yards long, which gives you plenty to work with for all your projects. The star design, each measuring about 0.6 inches, is crafted from polyester, making it both durable and lightweight. The material bends easily, so you can mold it around anything, whether it's a cake, gift box, or floral arrangement. You can even cut it to your desired length using just a pair of household scissors, super easy to customize. One of the best features of this ribbon is its versatility. You can use it for various occasions, from weddings to birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and even baby showers. It's not just for gift wrapping. This ribbon is perfect for home decor, creating beautiful bouquets, and even adding a little sparkle to your holiday cards. It also works wonderfully for crafting accessories like hair bows, wreaths, or even sewing projects. The sparkling silver color adds a festive touch, which is why it's such a popular choice for so many events. It shines beautifully in the light and makes any project feel more polished and special. Plus, it looks great from both sides, so no matter how you use it, the quality and shimmer will stand out. Whether you're crafting for yourself or making something unique for a loved one, this ribbon is sure to be a hit. With 16.4 yards of sparkling, starry ribbon, you have the flexibility to bring your creative ideas to life without worrying about running out. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, multi-purpose ribbon to add that perfect finishing touch to your special occasion, the Honbay Sparkly Polyester Star Ribbon is the way to go. It's easy to use, incredibly versatile, and guaranteed to add a little extra shine to your celebrations. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.